Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to update software version for your headphones JBL Quantum 610. And firstly, make sure that your headphones is turned on and connected to your dongle, and dongle connected to your PC. After that, open the application. And you need to click at the system software. It opened for me automatically, but if you have something else like equalizer, just click at the system software at the device. And right here we have a new software version, so click install. Now click start. Now you should connect your headphones with a PC, and I will use USB-C to USB-A cable. Now, right here at the left ear cup we have USB-C port, so connect to USB-C cable right here, and the second one USB-A cable connect to your PC. After that, click next. And now disconnect the cable, click done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!